game. It's a rich thing.
Alright guys, you already seen, we actually put the CDMs on in the last video. I was too excited. I don't know, it might be the last video or before this one, but we were too excited. I forgot to mount the rear diffuser while it was off. So it's gonna be a little pain in the ass to do it while it's on, but I'm still gonna do it while it's on the car just because I don't want to take it all off again because I just got it nice and neat. So I ain't gonna do all that work. But yeah, so we are actually gonna wipe this off clean. Artwork rear diffuser. I ended up taking the bumper off. It was way easier just to remove it. For the CDMs, how I wanted it, I had actually re-drill the holes for the screws. The drill bit I use is right here. It's a 17/64, and it's a perfect hole to re-put these torques, like drills in, those little, I don't know, thread or studs. Work perfectly. So this is done. I'm actually gonna do the sides since I have them off. And once I do the sides, which is the artwork side splats, I'll put those on now, right now. Alright guys, for this side, I used like all of them on that one, but it was a pain in the ass, and I only put 2 on here, and it's very sturdy. All I put was one spacer between right here and this little gap between the lip and the bumper. This one I actually just no spacer, and I put the screw under the bumper because there was plenty of room, so I did that. So just 2 screws, and this is actually held on pretty good. So let me go ahead and now do that side. But yeah, the bumper is slowly coming along now. Finally got it all on. Looks very good. You can see, so nice with the artwork. Lip kit. So that's done. Side skirt's done. Rear is done. Basically all that there is left is technically put the front splitter on. Well, not left for the car, but just for the splitter kit. So I don't know if I'm gonna get it fixed or not. Little scratches on it, but it's not a show car, so maybe I'll just put it on, save some money. We'll see. But right now, everything looks so good. I wish I could show you better angles, but the CDMs and everything, so nice. Very, very nice. And I think next is just getting some of the camera arms. Just be coming in either today or tomorrow. Get those in. That way we can finalize the rear. And all we got left is just to do the rear brake setup. I'm waiting on the bracket still for the conversion. So we'll see on that one. And hopefully we'll maybe get another sway bar. We'll see though. But yeah, everything looking so good. Let's continue the video. We're gonna put some more camber arms. We finally got the correct bolt, the size fork right here. For this one, the part number is right here for SPC. And we also got this one as well for that, and this is back one right back there. Part number for that one is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put both of these on. So this side will finally be done. I actually ordered one this time just so I can make sure it fits, but since it fits now, I will order another one for the other side. But let me go ahead and put these 2 on. Alright guys, got this bar out. We're just gonna match it. And then this one was a 14 up here. Bottom one was a 17. So the back is a 14, and the one close to under here is a 14. Wiggled right out. Once I get this on, I can finally finalize all this with the coilover bolt on and all that good stuff. So let's get into it. I'm running out of memory, so I'm trying to get this done quick. Alright guys, we're end this memory card out. Shout out to After Dark Side Work. He actually sent me this, so we're going to continue this banner install. So he actually sent me a Craig side or Craig banner, and we're going to try to temp this. So we're going to lay down this flat black, and then we're going to go with the Mythic Customs on top. So let me go ahead and lay this down first, and then we'll go ahead and put the Mythic Custom decal.
black, gray, or white.
Alright, shout out to Freddie from After Dark Sign Works. We got the Mythic Customs, and they're actually pretty easy to put on. Look at that. Ooh, big old Mythic Customs. Here you go. And then, the real question is, do I put this one on? The little one? Right here? Or no? This is this one says sponsored by, that's why.
I don't like it. I don't like it like that.
Though.
Really? Because I want to put it somewhere.
Right there by the AEM. There's more space by the AEM.
I know, but like...
Not sideways, it looks funny.
Yeah, I don't.
I'll put it like right underneath it. Yeah, like
I
that.
don't,
Yeah.
I don't have to put this on, but do you think it looks cool though?
By the other side though.
It says sponsored by After Dark Sign Works.
The side window.
I have it right here, so I don't really need to
Put it on the side window.
Yeah, deal with it.
You don't have a small one?
We're done.
I'll put it on the roof visor like I have my TL.
Where's the green? Alright guys, so with the 6-piece, so took off the lower control arm with a 19, and you got to hold the top bolt, which is right here. 19, same thing with this side, but it's a 17, which connects right here. Other than that, I'm gonna take the sway bar out, but I'm gonna replace it anyway, so I just cut it out just like this, and then I could just cut it again. So it was just easier for me to do that. That the piece of the sway bar is still in there, so I gotta take that out. Eventually I'll do the subframe, but it'd be a good spot to start cleaning up a little bit more under here, because look at how nasty that is. So before I even put this in, well, I'm gonna replace the bushing, but before I put everything in, I'm gonna paint this, and then I'll clean up in here a little bit better too. Alright guys, eventually when I was doing this build, I was really even thinking about doing the bushings, but I'm glad I am, because just looking at this one, you can see just the flex is all torn in. And it's flexing real good, so good. I think it replaces this one, and it replaces this one. This one I don't think it replaces, because it just really just holds your fork in. But yeah, that's about it. Let's continue. Last time we were on here, we got the strut bar. We actually finally picked up an intake. Shout out to Heel Toe. We are actually going to be putting on the intake, which will be one of the most final things we do on the engine, besides just more suspension work. So yeah, let's get right into it. Very basic. Reason why I went with this AEM one, which is a very nice intake. Look how huge that is because of this right here. And if my theory is correct, the sensor should just go right in here. The only thing I can do is extend the wire. It's super easy, but let's get into it. Alright guys, in this kit, it comes with a license plate. I got this from Heel Toe, so shout out Heel Toe. AEM. Got stickers, your hardly legal sticker, but this one's for the Accord, but it still fits on TL. It's very tight though, very, very tight. Comes with all of this. So this is what you're going to be using to mount to the side, where I'll show you guys. And go with a 10mm bolt. Very simple. Right now, I think I had to hold off until I get a bigger coupler. This coupler is a little bit too small because I got the 3.7. So we're going to have to try to find something that will fit this 3.7 coupler before we start. With the intake, it's been about a week. I actually had to get the right coupler. So let's actually open it up. We got it from Heel Toe right there. So let's get right into it. This is the box what it comes with. You got the right appropriate vibrant coupler, which is nice. And I thought it came with hardware, but I guess not. I could have sworn the description said it did, but it's whatever. So this should be the 3.7 manifold to the 5 or 3.2 intakes. So let's go ahead and put this on. Just show you guys a comparison. I know it's dark right here. How about right here, or even on the old CRV that we got rid of? You can see the vibrant one, and there's the normal AEM one. Looks, you can tell it's a lot bigger, and this diameter is the exact same. So we actually got the correct one. So let's go ahead and pop this onto the intake. Got the vibrant reducer on, so it's fully tight.
Oh, is that the new intake?
New
Where'd you
intake.
get it?
About a week ago.
I ordered my Susudo, but I didn't get the titanium burnt one.
And
I got the regular silver one.
I don't know where the other one goes to. Put the filter on, and I don't think it comes with a bracket because this is not really for a TL. Intake is right here, and then we got the big clamp for it right here. Alright, so this is so nice. Very fat intake. Look at that. So the reason why I wanted this intake particular is it actually comes with the thread holes for, I don't know what the sensor is, airflow sensor or something, but that's why. And this intake actually comes with a new gasket for this, which is super nice. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that, and then all we gotta do is extend this wire, these two wires, in here. The green crest over here is now teal crest. He picked up some work Kawamis.
I'm gonna miss this story here. Look at this.
And technically, I'm gonna be the new owner of these wheels.
Oh man, that's what I like about these wheels too.
We test fitted them. Oh, they look good.
They burn fast though. They're just thinking mine, yeah. They're good, but they're the rubber ones that burn the most.
Hoping that grinding always goes away slowly, but overall,
They burn through a lot.
looks
I don't know
so
how
good.
much faster, but
Just two lugs on here for now. Extending this, I can finally get this up. All right, so we got the extension. We just found some random wires right here, and then we got what we're gonna be plugging it into, and then right here. So let's go ahead and extend it. We're using butt connectors. You don't have to. You can solder it, but
When
this should be
you
fine.
post this video, bro, you're gonna even be able to see these little wires in the video. They're gonna be like, what the hell are you pointing at?
I could see it.
I know.
You can see it right there, clearly.
You can barely see it.
I'll just-
What is on a small screen? Your neighborhood player, Jose. And Lady Lass.
Ah.
In a fucking hour?
Yeah. Most people take like fucking 4 or 5 hours.
Fucking sandwich?
Fucking sandwich.
Fucking salad, you know.
Remember that one? Like, you know how to make a fucking sandwich. It's like, he burnt it. Like, why didn't you see the code?
This nigga trying to cook a motherfucking damn ham a fucking sandwich. This pussy ass nigga burned a fucking sandwich. Why the fuck you ain't eat it cold? The fuck wrong with you?
I should eat it cold. You don't even know what the fuck you're talking about, my guy.
I'm gonna watch it, it's funny.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
you don't want to.
Where the better go?
That thing almost flew off the freeway right now. Damn, he fucked up.
We got CJ fixing the papers over there. You know, you already know what time.
Show that on YouTube.
You know what time it is.
Kid, you'll get disclaimer, and Demi will get banned.
I got it fully extended. Go ahead and put some trim on here and tape it up. So we got this with the loom, some tape over there, and then tape just to hold it together. And this is officially done. Yay! We got Chris here doing whatever he got to do with his fuel pump, trying to go E85 on this bitch. He's going crazy. He got the spark plugs.
You got racks?
He got
I
the
didn't
tire.
think this had so much fuel in it.
Oh, like, oh yeah. There's a bunch of dirty rags. Here you go.
Thanks.
Okay, so I don't know where I left off. So I have these hubs pressed in, the OEM hubs and bearings. Got new bearings from AutoZone pushed in. So we got all that done. I don't know if I showed you the lower control arm, but we got the fast line bushings pushed in on there and there. So we're good on this. Oh, labs right here. But the main goal right now is I actually bought a radiator with the shroud, and I don't need the radiator, I just want the shroud. So we're gonna go ahead and take the shroud off and put it in here, because you seen like 3 months ago I couldn't do it. We got the shroud here. We're gonna pull this off, and we're gonna have to rewire it. So let me go ahead and take the other one off, and we'll unbolt this one. All right, so we're wiring up this. I just cut this off the hood fan, which is easy. Blue and black, and we're gonna do the same thing with this one, with the connections. I guess you could depin it, but we ain't gonna do all that. We're just gonna do a butt connector. Make it very easy, so we'll keep back when we're done with this. We put electrical tape butt connectors on it, so these are now ready for plug and play. The reason I'm not using the radiator is technically that's the same radiator in there if I just wanted a cleaner one, but that one's still brand new. So we're gonna go ahead and drop the new radiator fans in it. Just use the 4 bolt-ons to bolt it to the radiator and then just plug it in. So let's get to it. Out in, very easy. We got it all plugged in. So the reason why I went this one is just for a much cleaner look than the OEM ones. I think that looks so much better. Gives it more of that race car look, right?
Yep.
So yeah, so we're done for this for now. We're gonna go ahead and put this in, put some coolant in here, put the reservoir back in, and continue where we left off.